Which way? Snow site user interface. Okay. Suppose what happened? Let me open SQL worksheet. Employee. Okay. See now what happens is set worksheet context. Tell me in this database, in this schema, I want to find list of tables. How's list of tables?
Show tables.
Show tables. I want to see show tables will give all the tables, but I want to get starting with the ending with this. Go for what concept? Go for
Like
Like
pattern matching concept. Okay. Now how to fetch the data?
select
Using select statement. Okay. What is star here?
projection operator.
Projection out. Tell me I want to remove these two records. How to remove these two records? Delete from employee
ID.
where employee ID
is null.
is null. Okay. So far good. Now same thing. Let me come to the topic. Order by 3. What is 3? Tell me what is 3?
Third
What is
column.
3?
Column.
Third column. Ascending side or descending side?
Ascending
Ascending.
side.
Ascending side. Okay, see same thing. Tell me by in this table, okay, what is the maximum salary? What is the maximum salary? 85.
85,000.
Okay, minimum salary 40,000. Tell me now, I want to find the total salary, average salary, number of records. Now we should go for what concept?
Aggregate function.
See, now we're discussing topic is aggregate function. What is aggregate functions? Nothing but what? To aggregate or summarize the data. Got the point? I have to see the functionality. Simple thing. I'll try to give detail. So simple thing. So on the entire column, I want to find the maximum value, minimum value, total value, average. Go for what concept? Go for what? Go for aggregate function to aggregate
Functions.
or summarize the data. Tell me how to do. So by using what? We're having minimum value, maximum value,
Maximum.
average,
Average.
sum,
Count.
and count. See, minimum value, maximum value, average, sum, and the count. So these are the aggregate functions. Okay, so we'll see the same thing in detail. So what is minimum will give?
Minimum value from the selected minimum value of a particular column.
So see on the entire column, I want to get the min. See simple thing. See select min of salary. See min of salary. Now how to get maximum value, comma?
Max
Max
of
of
salary.
salary.
Okay, how to get total? Go for
Sum
sum of salary. How to get the average by using
Average.
average. How to get number of records?
count.
Count of star. Okay, see the same thing. So minimum value, maximum value, sum of salary, average, total number of records. Now same thing. Now what happens? See the same thing. 1 second. Hold on. So insert into employee. So employee ID, department ID, and salary, values. So assume like 16. So 300 department, 7. Now tell me now, see here what happened after decimal. I want to get only 2 digits. How to get only 2 digits? Tell me.
Round.
Round.
You should go for what concept? Go for
Round.
round. Okay, see round. Round of what? Comma
2.
2. Okay. Suppose I want to give proper rating. How to give proper rating by using what concept?
Column alias.
Column alias. Okay, same thing. Now see what happened. See, suppose see this is 85,000. Now I want to get 85 comma double triple zero. How to get
2 char.
2 char conversion function? Okay, so 2 char of Nine
nine
series.
series.
Nine series. Okay. So dot 0, 0. Okay. How to remove spaces?
Trim.
So trim function. Tell me this is 85,000 rupees or dollars? Rupees. How can you say you should put? Tell me how to club two strings.
Concat or
Concatenator
pipe symbol.
pipe symbol. How do you proper
Column
by using
alias.
column alias.
Alias.
See, this was the functionality. So minimum value, so maximum value, sum value. So two char concept, we are trying to get it the same thing. So this is the concept of what aggregate function. Same thing one more time. Control C.
Sir, hi
Now
sir.
what?
This is sir. Can you
Mhm.
tell me about the pipe symbol? What's little bit
Pipe,
about pipe symbol?
pipe, nothing but see what happens. See, select. See, Praveen is there. Praveen is one string. Okay. So Kumari, see what happens. See, this is separate column, separate string. See, separate string, separate string. Now see, there are two separate things. Now I want to get as a single. How to get as single? We can go for either concat or pipe. See, this is pipe symbol. It will club two things. Got the point? Same thing can go for either concat. Also, we can go for concat. Getting it?
Yeah.
So it's the concept of concat or pipe symbol. Okay. So if you want to get the spaces, we can put the spaces. Okay. If you want to get the spaces, we can put the spaces and pipe symbol. So this is the concept of concat or. So Tim simply to club two strings. So same
Yeah.
thing now what? Okay. Same thing now what happened. So control same.
So one more thing, how to split? It's a Praveen Kumar inside two names, Praveen and Kumar. How to split?
You need to go for regexp concept. Regexp, instr and substr concept. You should use this thing. Same thing now what happened, tell me, that's the task given, now you need to do. Okay, now see what happened. Now see, there totally how many records are there, tell me. Totally how many records?
Nine.
Nine records are there. Okay, let me take the same thing. Listen carefully, important topic. Okay, see, totally 9 records are there. Now what happened if I use count of star, how many records will get? Will get 9 records.
Nine
Now I'm
records.
using count of star, count of 1, so count of 100, count of minus 100, or count of Praveen. Okay, or count of employee ID, employee name. Important carefully, employee name, and the count of null. Okay, so the totally 9 records are there. By seeing this one, tell me count of star or count of 1, what will happen? Anyone, any guess?
9 records.
Huh?
9 records.
Nine
9.
records.
For what?
Count
For count.
star and the counter.
What about count
Any
of
number,
100?
any string, it will give all records.
See now what happened. See now what happened. Count of star, count of 1, count of 100, minus 100, count of string. See what happened. See, it is giving 9, 9, 9. See what's the conclusion. See what you need to understand. Important lesson carefully. See count of. So any number or count of any string. Okay. See what happened. It will give total number of records. Tell me how many records are there totally? There totally 9 records are there. Okay, see if I put count of number, count of any string, it will give total number of records. But here what happened? See count of employee ID, employee name. Here 9 is there, yes 6 is there. Tell me what happened in employee name? It is giving 6. It is giving 9. Anyone tell me? See the data?
You have to mention column name. It will give non-null records.
See now what happened? See, I am explicitly mentioning what? The column name. So employee ID, employee name. Now what happened? Tell me, see, employee is nothing but, so total number of records. What is employee name? It says, see what happened? Here you need to understand is that what? I am explicitly mentioning the column name. So column name nothing but what? It will consider only not null records. Ignore null records. See the point? No, see what happens. See, here you need to understand the concept is that what? See, count of employee, nothing but what? It is giving total number of records. If I give count of column name, what happens? Submit yourself. See, I am mentioning count of column name. Column name nothing but what? It will ignore. Tell me before that these are what? These are nulls or not nulls? These are not null values. What about these things? These are null values. Null values. Okay, see, got the point. So here you need to understand what? If I mention column name, what happens? Consider only not null records. See, not null records. It will ignore what? Ignore null records. Got the point. I see the same thing. So see. It will ignore null records. Okay, see, got the point. See, simple thing. So count of column name equal to what? It will give only not null records. See, suppose if I put count of salary, how many records will give count of salary? 9 or 7 or 8? Salary?
9
Nine.
records.
What about count of date of birth?
8.
8. Okay. So count of phone? Count of phone?
7.
record.
Six.
Or no? So
Six.
three nulls are there. So
Oh,
suppose like same thing now what happened? Let me same thing. Let me go. So you need to understand what? So see count of star, count of 1 or count of any number. It's giving what? It's giving total
records.
number of records. Same thing now what happened? Count of null. See count of column name what? It will consider only not null records. It will ignore null values. Tell me what about count of null? Tell me, can we count null values? Huh? No. So
No.
see, always count function will give a number. That's what the point. Okay. So it is 0. So here you need to understand what? So count of any number will give total number of records. If I mention column name, what happened? It will ignore null records. Null records. Okay. So you got the point. Huh? Same thing. 1 second. So concepts are simple. Just you need to put effort. That's it. Okay. Tell me there are totally see totally how many records are there? 8 records are. Tell me if I use count of star, how many records will get?
8 records.
8 records. If I use count of ID, what's the output will get? I'm actually explicitly mentioning the column name. Column nothing but what? It will give
Null records.
nothing but how many?
6.
6 records. What about count of distinct ID?
Only
Unique record.
Output.
Only
So 1 or 2 or 3 or 4.
4.
1, 2, 3,
four.
Number. They
One,
want
two.
number. No? Number. Tell me.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 records.
4 records.
6.
4 or 6. Tell me all the numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. 4 records.
See, now what happened now? Let me take the screenshot. So the concept, no, remember, okay, theory wise you are good. While implementing, no, you are not able to understand. See, now what happened? See, count of star, total number of records. What is count of ID? Tell me, it will ignore null values. Now, so tell
Null
me
values.
now what happened? I am mentioning the column name. So column name, nothing but tell me, this is not there. Huh?
Then the
Tell me,
output will be 6.
so see not null. So
4.
see it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Again what distinct? Distinct nothing but what? 1, 1, 2, 1, single 2, single 3, single 4. Totally
4.
4
4
records.
records will get. Got the
So
point?
yes.
Getting clear so far?
Sir, how
Yes, sir.
about count of null? Like, can you explain it one more time?
See now what happened? Tell me can. So here you need to understand what. So null cannot be count. No. See suppose see select.
Then there are 6 now, sir.
1 second. So we are using distinct. No. Distinct nothing but
Okay.
what?
Yeah. Fine. Fine.
Unique record. See now what happened? So control Z. See tell me what null is a value. Huh?
No.
No, sir.
No, see,
No.
null cannot be count. No, so that's why no count of null always give. So see, count function always give 0 and count of null because we can't able to count. We can able to extract. How to extract null values? Tell me.
Is null.
is null and is not null. Okay, got the point. That's the same.
Yeah.
Same
So
thing.
it,
Let me.
yeah, count of null will always be 0, right?
Count function will always give a number. Okay, so count will be 0.
Okay.
Same thing. If you see here, what happened? See. Tell me. So totally, see. Count of star. Count of star is nothing but what?
5.
5 records.
Count of one.
5.
5 records.
Count of middle name.
5 records.
4.
5.
4. No, 4. Count of first name.
5.
5.
5 records. Okay, so see the same thing. So Flipkart. See now what happens. See step by step. Okay. So tell me, select if I want to project all the columns and all records in Flipkart table, how to write? Select star from Flipkart. Select Flipkart. Okay. Now this is what concept? Phone.
Pattern match.
Select pattern matching or filtering
Pattern
concept. Okay. Now tell me what is 11500 or what is this thing? Tell me. This is
Null
what?
count.
Number of records by using what concept? Number of records by using which aggregate function?
Count.
Count.
So by using count. See now how to get comma separated value?
2 char.
2 cat.
Okay. Okay. How to put rupee symbol?
Concat.
How to make it to capital case?
Upper.
Okay. See by using upper concept. Okay. Got the point. 1 second. 1 second. Concepts are simple. Just you need to work on 1 second. We'll see one use case. So that will you need to say, tell me. So here, okay, tell me how to get unique records. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a sequence. I'll send a video sequence. Tell me how to put proper heading
Column alias.
with spaces are there. How to handle the spaces?
Double quotes.
Double quotes. In my database, something is there. I want display differently. We should go for what concept?
2 char.
2 char concept. See, 2 char concept. In my database, 6000 is there, but I want display 6000.00. Same thing. Using which concept?
Round.
2
char.
concept.
Two char,
See,
okay.
in my database, so status of my column is paid status is there. Status column. Okay. So paid. So see what happened in my column in my database. Status is Y. Okay, Y. Now, so wherever Y is there, make it to paid. Wherever okay, see null, I need to make it to pay now. Now, how to handle this conditional statement? Case and
Case and
decode concept. Okay. Tell me now what happened. See here 28/9, 28/10, only month is getting changed. Tell me how to get today. So okay, see today is 22/7. I want to get next month 22/8. How to get using what function?
Date add.
Date add or add months concept. Okay, same thing. Now tell me now what happened. My database null is there. I want to display NA. How to display NA?
NVL.
Null handling, NVL or coils. Now tell me same thing. What about here in my database? Null is there. I want to display it. Let me work. It'll work. In my database, null is there. I want to display NA. How to display NA?
Yes.
Case. Null. How to handle?
NVL.
NVL, no. See NVL.
Yeah,
But tell
right,
me,
right.
this is number, this is string work.
Yeah, it's work.
2
work,
char.
No,
We need to convert to string.
String 2 char : or cast answer. So far good. Tell me that totally how many records are there? How many installments I paid?
10.
See, not 10. How many paid? Paid how many?
9.
9.
9. No.
9
See, 9.
records.
Okay. Tell me how to get number of records.
Count.
Count of star.
Tell me
Count
if I
of
use
paid.
count of star, it will
Count
be
of
9 or 10. If I use
Count of status.
no, if I
is 10. Count of star will show 10.
10, no. I want to get 9 only. How to get 9?
Count of
Column
status.
Status equal to paid.
Not status. Count of
Where
receipt
can-
number or receipt date. No. So see, whenever you pay anything, what I will give, receipt number will be generated. So it's a count of receipt number or receipt date. If I go for count of stock, it will give you 10 records. No, same thing. Now, how to get 54,000?
Max.
Not max. 6,000 plus 6,000 plus 6,000.
Some.
So, but if I do sum, what happened? You go 60,000, but I want to get 54,000. How to get 54,000?
We'll
Fine.
put filter for receipt number only, which are having.
Tell me.
We can group
Yes.
them.
Not grouping. See, select. So you can put sum of something like this. Sum of amount from something like table. So where receipt number is null or is not null? Is null or is not null?
Is not.
Is not null.
Is not, because no, I want to ignore this record. No, you see, I want to ignore this record. Which go for, see, all the concept, sequence concept, two car concept, so add months concept, two care concepts, case statement, null handling. So all the things are aggregate function. See, suppose if I want to insert a new record, what happened? Insert, it will be update, it will be today's date. How to get today's date?
Current date.
So suppose if I pay now, what happened? Sequence will be generated. Today's date will come, and what I will be last payment date will be today's date. Okay, we'll get 10 and 60. Select update statement and insert statement, commit and filtering concept. Okay, so here you need to understand the concept is that what all the concept will be covered. That's what the point. Okay, is clear? Aggregate functions are very, very important because I want to summarize the data. How to summarize the data? Tell me by using what concept?
Aggregation.
Aggregate functions. Suppose the same thing. Now what happened? Go to views. See, now tell me how to get sum of amount. So this is KPI. Tell me this is what? This is a dashboard. Who will build this dashboards in real time?
Power BI developer.
Power BI.
Developer.
Tell me who will be the queries to them or views to them? Which guy? Power BI.
Data engineer.
Who? We only. We nothing but Snowflake developer, Snowflake data engineer. So we want to build KPIs. What is KPIs?
Key performance
Key
indicator.
performance indicator. Okay, tell me now what happened? How to get sum of amount? By using which aggregate function?
Aggregation
Sum of profit. How to get sum of quantity?
You can use sum
Count
of
star.
quantity.
Not sum.
Count.
Star.
Count of stars. Okay. So average answer. See, remember. So by seeing this use case, what aggregate functions will use regularly, day-to-day KPIs. Okay, we want to perform key performance indicator. This is the concept. Getting a little bit. So this is the functionality. So key performance indicator by using aggregate functions, by using analytical function, we can able to make it working. So step by step, we need to work on it. Okay, see. So far where we are, tell me we completed. Okay, see aggregate function. We are in the aggregate functions. Okay. Same thing now what happened? Let me go back here. Simple concept, just you need to focus what I'm saying. You need to, if you're able to the task, you can able to understand easily all this. So you're attending regularly, but what happened? So main thing is that what practice also important. Okay. See, select a star from department ID, comma salary. I'm putting order by one, order by department ID, comma salary, descending. Tell me now which two columns are there. This is called as multi-column sorting. So which one has the highest precedence? Department ID or salary?
Department ID.
Department. See, first column will have the highest precedence, second highest precedence. Same. See, suppose see what happened. If I go for Zomato, Zepto, Zoom. Tell me which one is the first priority. First one will get what? First
Zoom.
check.
Zepto.
First one will check. So next one. So both are same. I'll go for second column. Which is the first thing? Which go for Zepto.
Zepto.
Okay. Same thing. Now what happens? See, first column same, second column same. Go for third. Which one is same?
Second.
Okay. So this is the way you can able to get it. Got the point. Huh? So Zepto, Zoom, and Zomato. Like this, we can able. Same thing here also. Question is that what is the highest precedence? So first column is the highest precedence. It means ascending sort or descending sort?
Descending sun.
Descending.
Ascending, tell me.
Ascending us.
Ascending.
Ascending, why ascending?
By default, it's been ascending if you have not mentioned anything.
You know what happened? See,
But no need to require maybe.
You see what happens here. This is one column. See, this is one column. So nothing but what if I don't mention by default, what sorting will be there?
Ascending.
Ascending sort. So see ascending sort. So by default, this is an ascending sort. See 100, 200. Suppose if I put descending, now what happen? We'll get descending. Suppose put, now tell me this is what sorting. Salary will be what?
Ascending.
Ascending.
Ascending. Okay, see ascending column. Okay, see the same. So this is so far good. Now same thing. Now what happened? Control Z. Okay. Tell me on the entire column, what is the maximum value?
85,000.
85,000. See, but what happened? Requirement is that what? See, my requirement is that what? See, now each department, I want to get the maximum value. Each department, I want to get the minimum value. How to get? Basing what? See, so far we discussed what?
Group by weekend.
On the entire column, we are trying to get maximum value or minimum value. But requirement is that what? Each department, I want to get maximum value. Each department, I want to get number of records. Now, see what happens. See the same thing. See, important, listen carefully. Important topic. See, this is fine. Control C, Control V. See, now what happens? See, now if I put the salary, now what will get? We'll get on the entire column, we'll get maximum value. Got the point? So same thing. Okay. So next one is that what? See, now I want to get each department. Tell me it work. Yes, anyone any idea?
No.
No, it's work.
No, it won't work. See, it's saying employee
Group by.
department is not a valid group by. I'll explain. See what happened.
Oh, sorry.
I'm putting max of department. Tell me now it will work.
No.
Tell me it work.
No. No.
Why no? Why?
Still what?
See here now you need to understand the same.
Okay.
I'll explain the same.
Okay.
Okay, see now what happens? Select column 1, column 2, column 3 from table. Tell me this query will work or not normally?
Yeah,
It
it's all
will work.
It's work.
So because all are non-aggregate columns. Listen carefully, important. All are non-aggregate columns. Okay. So Control C. So now what happens? Suppose I'm putting one aggregate function, any aggregate function, max or min or average. Okay. So now tell me now all the 3 columns are what?
aggregation function.
Tell me these are
It will work.
aggregate columns. Okay, got the point. See max, min, okay, see aggregate. All are it will work. The same thing, Control C. Now what happens? See, now tell me it work. So see, all are non-aggregate columns working. All are aggregate working. But see, so 3 are aggregate columns, 1 non-aggregate column work. So rule is that what? All the columns should have aggregate functions or the non-aggregate function. What we should put compulsory in the what? In the group by class. Group by column 4. See, this is important. See, this will work directly. But what happens? See, 3 aggregate. Suppose if I put min, it will work or not? It should work. Suppose if I don't put like what happened, the non-aggregate column compulsory put in the group by class. I'll explain one more time. See, tell me. So this is work normally. 2 columns, non-aggregate column. 2 aggregate column, 2 are fine. But what happened? Control C, Control V. Now tell me now it should work. Not work. Yes or no? No, it will not work. Because no, it says in the employee table, department is not a valid group by expression. Got the point? Now what I need to go? We should go for what concept? Go for group by
Class.
group by department ID. So this is the functionality. Got the point? Same thing getting it. So this is the functionality. Suppose what happens? Suppose see, I'm going for group by gender. Okay. Tell me now it work.
No.
And what I should do? Go for group by
Group by gender.
gender also we need to put it. Okay, so the same thing. So we can. Okay. So here now 1 point now here instead of writing like this, what happened? There is a concept of what? Group by. Anybody? Snowflake
Yes.
feature. What the page? Group by. Anyone? Group by all is there. So group by all nothing but what? So instead of mentioning the column name in Snowflake, there's a concept of group by all. Non-aggregate column we can put in the group by all concept. So this is the functionality. Or else like what happened? See, Control C. Control V. Now gender is at which position? First position. Second, third. Department is at which position? Fourth position. It is working fine. Okay. Getting the point. 1 second if you're not able to understand. So Control C. Okay, now tell me. So now what happened? Group by 1 comma. Dwarka.
Not work.
1 comma 1 comma
3.
3. So you can use group by all, group by position. This is there in Snowflake database. It is not in Oracle or SQL server. So now what happened? Each department we can able to get the minimum or maximum. Same thing now what happened? Tell me if it's here. Tell me this is what? Sum of amount by state. Nothing but what? Tell me how to get total amount? By using which aggregate function?
Some.
Huh? Sum.
Sum
Now
of.
what happened? They want what? Sum of amount by state. Nothing but what?
Group by
Group by
state.
Group by state. Sum of quantity by payment mode. How to get quantity? Sum of or count of quantity group by payment mode.
Payment.
So group by customer, group by category. Tell me this is what? Anybody can able to tell us? This is what?
Someone.
Group by
Group by month.
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 Date.
Okay. Month. How to extract month? Tell me.
To care.
See employee. Okay. Now what happens? Suppose see date of joining. Okay. So date of joining. Okay. Tell me now each year I want to find how many employees are joined. Tell me. So how to extract
Okay.
year?
To care. Date of join. Month.
Tell me it work? Anyone? It work? Normally? What is the rule?
Yes, it will work.
No. No,
Group by.
not non-aggregate call. No, what I should do? Put in
Group
the.
by.
Group. Group by.
Tell me anybody what exactly I'm trying to get. Anyone important?
To care.
What exact output? So
It will
remember,
come here.
1 second, give me. So remember, you should be in a position. See, remember, in real time, there'll be hundreds of lines of code in there. So you should. So by seeing the code, you should be in a position. What exactly they are trying to do? Tell me what exactly I'm trying to do. Anyone? So anybody can ever learn the concept, but what happened? You need to implement. Question
Yeah,
is
we
that what?
will put. We will get only year, particular
Huh?
year.
What will get?
Year.
Year, what year? No. If I execute entire thing, what I'll get? Exact.
Count based on year.
So yearly wise, we'll get number of
Count.
employees joined. Okay, see. So 23 employees. Suppose like I want to get monthly wise. How to get monthly wise?
Month. MON.
No, yearly we should put MO. Suppose if I put MO and tell me correct.
No MM. Y by
Anything.
MM.
Tell me
Y
so
by
it is
count.
correct. Not like this. Okay, we should go forward. We'll put MON YY.
Okay.
Correct? Because no. Suppose see, tell me in the 2024 we'll get January is there. In 2025 January is there. How to find?
Understood.
Always make sure like you need to put year concept. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, simple thing. So group by all concept is this is group by they are extracting, they are passing the year, or they need to extract by month and year concept. See aggregate function, analytical function. These are all the concept. We'll try to get it done. Getting a little bit. Just you need to put understand that's it. Okay, see aggregate function. You should be visualized. Okay, this is the aggregate concept. This is the analytical functions. Okay. Now tell me now you compulsory wrong answer. Tell me. You see here. You'll go wrong answer. Tell me. See here what happened. Tell me. Okay, tell you what 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Anybody? So think student tell me.
We are not equal.
0.
0, 2 or 3.
Remaining.
Number I want number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 0 or null.
0.
0.
Why 0? Why 0?
Zero.
See where name not equal to apple, nothing but we don't get apple, we don't get apple. Tell me not equal, null not equal to apple. Huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. No. Tell me null not equal to apple. Huh?
No, null is not count.
Tell me Praveen not equal to apple. True or correct or false? Huh?
True.
True. Because Praveen is a string, apple is a string. Tell me null is a string, null is any value.
No.
No.
When there is no value, how can you compare? It's a false concept.
False
See
statement.
what happened. See, so this condition fail, it will give what? It will give 0, 0. Suppose where name equal to apple, name equal to apple,
It's given
Three.
3,
3.
records.
Where name is null,
2.
2. Got the point? Here concept, you need to understand the concept. If you're able to understand the concepts, this is simple and easily things. Okay. Same thing. Let me open Covin application. So when you have time to try to browse this application, so many concepts will be there. Filtering concept, sorting concept. Tell me. Now tell me. See, capital A, capital A, capital N, capital A. This is what?
Init cap.
Init cap. ABC. This is what?
Ordered by
Order by ascending or descending?
ascending.
Ascending. See, I'm selecting Andhra Pradesh. I'm getting Andhra Pradesh district. Okay, this is what? This is filtering concept and sorting concept. Okay. So go to dashboard. Tell me, we discussed already. Tell me how to get comma separate value.
2 worker.
2 cat.
Two
Tell
cat.
me. Now tell me now how to add two numbers.
From
Tell me comma will work.
no.
We need to
Two
remove
number
comma.
and
How to remove comma?
Replace will work.
By using a replace keyword, we can able to get it done. Okay, got it. So 2 cat cancel. Okay. Same thing now. If we scroll down to see what happened. See, male this many members, female this many members. Tell me how you're getting. Tell me. Just not discuss. Tell me.
Count
Count
and
of
group
star will
first.
be total numbers. But what happened? I want to get male and female and others. Tell me how to get.
You
By
can
using column name
Count
count.
of vaccination by
Well,
group by
group by what?
count male,
group by
count
gender.
Gender basis. They want to get it done. Gender by group by gender column. Got them. Simple thing. Okay. The same thing. Okay. So when you have to try to browse this thing, column alias concept. Okay. So this is the functionality. Okay. Getting that? So this is the concept. Okay. Simple, just we need to understand. So see, co-visual init cap concept, uppercase, upper functionality. So same thing. So when you have time to try to browse this functionality, okay. And also see aggregate function, okay, are important. Tomorrow we'll see analytical functions, joins concepts, okay. So CTs, okay, list aggregate functions. So topics are important, okay. So focus on things, okay.